What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here. We're here. We just paid, what, $3,500 for this storage unit, Dad? They've gone through it a little bit. I haven't, you know.
3,800 after expenses.
Oh my God, that's a lot for a storage unit. 10 by 10. Let's show you what we found.
10 by 20.
10 by 20. Oh my God, I'm all wrong. Look at that, guys. They said they went through this little stack. Could you just give them what you found a little bit?
Well, in this pile was a couple comic books. There was a bunch right there. We extracted those. There was a box of cards. There was clothing. Jess took some to eBay. Ride that bike. Let's see if you remember how to ride a bike. I want to see if this is good for you for running to the Roach Coach for us at lunchtime.
Yeah, it's a nice bike. Solid bike. All right, guys. First box of storage unit. It looks like you can just see from the side. Like there's some anime stuff in here. Let's see what we get there. Okay, it's like some nice, what is this? I think it's Sailor Moon. Yeah, that's Sailor Moon, all right. That's like one of the vintage or animes or whatever. Another one came out a while ago. What is this? Mobile Suit Gundam. I don't know, these can actually be pretty expensive if you have like the full Gundams or whatever. Like, what is this though? Oh, that's just like like spaceships maybe. These seem to be little pieces. What is this?
Is this what we should break into
sealed brand new
dancing?
So I'm not going to open it. It's sealed brand new. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. It's not anime, but it's pretty cool. Some more like anime stickers. This is like a Sailor Moon poster. Mad's Bizarre Biz. What are these? Look at a little McDonald's meal.
It says, I don't even know what these are, but anything vintage Bandai is good. 1994.
That's some Sailor Moon, Dad.
Because see all this? This is actually vintage. Every one of these are vintage pieces. See, look at that. An old. It says 3, but don't underestimate. That's 1993. This is a rookie card.
This is rookie card.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, coloring book. Little Orphan Annie's.
You keep it up, that's going to be you.
1938.
That was the year Uncle Michael was born. Michael, where can we find all this stuff at if somebody wanted to get located?
If you guys want to locate where we're selling this at, it's probably on our Whatnot StoragePirate. Check it out. I might have a link in my bio. I think I still have the link in my description when I copy and paste it. So check it out there.
That's a good little first box, though. It gets the potential. Old Chinese slot machine.
Look at that, guys.
It's called Pachinko.
How much do you think that's worth?
I don't know because these. I don't even remember how to use them. I used to have one as a kid, and I thought they were pretty cool, and I never could fit them. My grandma Chrissy had it, I think. How do you work it?
Nice bag. It's a nice Puma bag. Feels like there's stuff in here, though. Let's see. Alright, it's full of just like women's clothes, it looks like. The panties, some bras, and some like what? Some shorts. I don't know. Are they, Dad?
Michael, just so you know, definitely want to check pockets and stuff because they had heck of little pieces of silver like would be random in little pockets, and be thorough.
Dang, what are these like some undergards, like some sports. This is where you're wearing it, like playing soccer or something. Hey, next box, 3 sticks. We got another one, Dad.
All right.
Speaker, remember Kelly used to have one of these.
Does it work?
I mean, I've set it aside. It should work, hopefully.
Oh, we got 360?
Yep. Bunch of just cords. There's just various different things. Some speaker, maybe. Very old keyboard. Another like random speaker.
No, I don't think we've gotten that.
Alright, I mean, this looks like a bunch of random stuff. This one looks kind of more expensive. Drill Master. It says miscellaneous knickknacks. Oh, I got a little NASCAR car. NASCAR. Ooh, I almost thought that would have sucked.
Ooh, come on, baby. Oh, I thought this is Snow White.
Alright, it's still kind of cool, I guess. A snow bunny little thing. Cool, yeah. Looks like the box said knickknacks so far. We might get into something else, see. Oh, dang, I think they're heavy. What are these things? These are pretty heavy. Alright, guys, we got a tarp. And you know where tarp's at?
Maybe.
Look at it.
No.
Big old tarp.
No, that's like a
Ratchet tarp.
yeah.
Nothing. What's down here? Ooh, okay. A projector.
Jinho.
If this is in here, it's some money, I guess. Probably an eBay item. Looks like it's like pretty new in there too. Not bad.
I'm gonna pull it out for you.
Pull it out for me. It's pretty. Oh, I thought it was a little bigger. It's pretty big. Yeah,
It's still cool though. I mean, we can probably put that on wet and easy.
What Nizzy? What's this?
Oh,
Dang, what are these?
those look potentially cool.
Oh, there's like a little minifigures you gotta collect. You know, this is one of the like 9 in there. Oh, there's a mystery one too, a hidden edition.
Nice.
Same thing with like Pink Panther. Those gotta be worth some money. Probably, honestly, this will definitely end up on the whatnot. It's a cool little whatnot lot.
Definitely
right there.
whatnot.
Yeah. What is this though? Ooh. Ooh, is that what I think it is?
What does it say?
Oh,
HG.
HG. Yep. Ah.
2005,
All right.
2006.
Still kind of old though. Pretty cool.
If that was a 2003, we'd be great.
2003 is okay. Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Look at that.
Is it silver? Does it look silver to your eyes or no? Nope. All right. So I'm not even gonna look. Last but not least, we got like a shoebox with
Oh. What are those
horseshoes? I guess horseshoes. I mean, I guess they could be. So
Is it Raider? Burn it.
it's pretty cool. That
Look at that.
Draymond Green SF jerseys edition bobblehead. All right. They have like a seal and everything in there.
Didn't we sell one of these recently?
I don't know. What is this thing?
Oh, never mind. I thought this was like a
I have no idea. What
Breaker 19. Don't show Chris this. He's gonna want it. This is
Rack. Oh, can you rack up the highest score? All right, this is their to sale box, I guess.
Maybe we can set those aside. Show a couple of them. I think we can see these in a lot on our. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're little Hummel figures. Made in Macau.
Dang, that looks pretty cool. It's like someone riding an elephant. Pretty nice piece. Definitely will go in the whatnot.
Another one. Pens.
This is like makeup.
All right, we might set those aside then.
Lip gloss. Yeah, I mean, probably more. It's just cherry velocity. I'm gonna assume more
See if it's makeup. Because if it is, then we're.
this is very taped. Yeah, it is. Oh, this is some nice stuff too. I think. I don't know. Oh, a lightsaber hilt.
Oh.
This thing's heavy too. Look at it. I feel that. I can weight to it.
Where is?
I don't know what the rest of it is, but I
Is
think
this Star Wars or Star Trek?
Star Wars. It's a lightsaber, Dad.
Oh my God, where's the rest?
It says Legacy Lightsaber Hilt. Is that just the hilt? Wait.
That's cool. As it is
I think,
heavy.
I think he's
You
got
can
some
freaking
weight.
punch somebody with
I
that.
think he's got some weight.
More than meets the eye.
Dang, look at that.
Let's go.
Transformer. Let's see where the year would be at. Doesn't even have a graphics card. All right, that's it's pretty solid. It doesn't even have a graphics card. The bag has got some weight to it. It's a laptop bag. Oh, there's a laptop in here too. Samsung laptop. It's like falling apart though, so. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Oh, glasses? No, there's not even glasses in here. Like, what the frick? It feels like Jordans in here, or shoes. Let's find out. Oh. Oh, okay, there's shoes. Dang. I had no idea about shoes, but these look pretty sick. They're small though.
Kids on this box to film.
A bit dirty, kind. I mean, honestly, the shoe itself isn't really too dirty. Of course, the bottoms get dirty because you know you walk on them. Some cuts and stuff on them. Pretty cool shoes. Size 6 youth though, so like more so like kids shoes. But
You know who would wear those? But I don't know if she like them.
who?
This person that's the love of my life.
I wonder how much these are though. They're pretty cool shoes. Special 100-year anniversary section. This was in 1965. What was going on in 1965? Oh Hop House. The understand has the under. I don't even want to read all that. I give up. There's some stuff going on. Oh, 1965. Ooh, what's in here? Okay, mouse. Probably like $5. There's a lot of old stuff in here. Classic country music. Yeah, we got this nice old stack of clothes. They have like this whole suitcase is just like nice Calvin Klein shirts. We found this at the end. There's Lakers. It's not a jersey, but it's like shirt.
That's the warm-up, isn't it? Like what they put on before?
Yeah, look at that there. It's pretty cool. XXL.
Maybe Kobe.
Maybe. And then a bunch of like dress pants. That's what we call like suit pants. Stuff like that. Very nice. Look like that, nice with tags.
Sean John.
I think my dad's gonna wear this tonight. Calvin Klein. Said he liked these shirts.
This isn't a shirt though. This is like.
Oh, it's not. I thought it was like,
oh, hey.
oh.
That's one of those you wear it like this, and then you just hit the button, and it all flops out, Michael. You understand that one?
Yep. Undershirts.
Calvin lineage.
Calvin of the lineage.
Calvin lineage. 3, 4, and what is that one?
What is it?
That's what you call a vintage Pendleton.
Hold it up.
I will definitely hold it up. I wish it fit me. You know what? I think Jess is gonna want this.
It fits me. We're getting down to the wire on the storage unit. Look what we found. That's almost the end, like a signed Raiders ball. I'll show you guys some signatures. You can see if you can find like people you know, because we don't really know the year on the ball, but I think it's worth some money. I mean, it's a full ball of signatures. So you guys let us know if you saw any good signatures on here. It's probably hard to read it, but. All right, guys, we're done. We just finished wrapping it up. Thank you guys for watching. Put a heart in the comments if you actually made it this far.
Wrap it up, B.
And we're done. That's it. That's my outro. Peace out.